In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer a free product in Payhip. If you want to make one of your products available at no cost, Payhip makes that process very simple. The key idea is that you're not creating a separate free version from scratch. Instead, you're editing an existing product and changing its price to zero. Once you save that update, the product will be treated as free for your customers. To get started, log into your Payhip account and go to your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and settings. If you're already signed in, this is usually the first screen you'll see, so it's a good starting point for making quick changes like this. From the dashboard, click on Products. This will open the section where all of your listed items are stored. Here, you'll be able to see the products you've already created, whether they're digital downloads, courses, membership, or other items you're selling through Payhip. Next, find the product you want to offer for free and click Edit on that product. This takes you into the product settings where you can change important details such as the title, description, files, and of course, the price. Make sure you're editing the correct item before moving on, especially if you have several similar products in your store. Once you're inside the product editor, go to the price field and set the price to zero. This is the step that turns the product into a free offer. Be careful to enter exactly zero, since that tells Payhip there's no charge for the item. This is useful if you want to grow your email list, offer a lead magnet, share a sample product, or simply to give something away as part of a promotion. After that, click Save Changes. This final step is important because your update won't go live until it's saved. Once the changes are saved, your product will be available as a free product in your Payhip store. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to preview the product page and confirm that the pricing now displays correctly. That way, you can make sure customers will see it as free before you start sharing the link. And that's all it takes to offer a free product in Payhip. It's a fast and effective way to make your content more accessible and attract new customers to your store.